Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how fuel injectors work. Fuel injectors are crucial for modern motorcycle engines, precisely delivering fuel for optimal performance. They replace older carburetor systems, offering significant improvements. An electronic control unit, or ECU, precisely controls the timing and amount of fuel injected. This ensures your bike runs smoothly and efficiently, providing a much better riding experience. Let's look at the key components. First, the fuel pump delivers fuel under pressure, typically around 40 to 60 pounds per square inch. Then, a tiny solenoid valve inside the injector opens and closes many times per second. This allows the fuel to spray through a fine nozzle, creating a highly atomized mist. Various sensors constantly feed data to the ECU, ensuring precise fuel delivery. Fuel injection offers several fantastic benefits for your motorcycle. You'll notice improved fuel economy, meaning fewer stops at the gas station and more money in your pocket. The throttle response is much crisper, providing smoother and more predictable acceleration. Plus, fuel injection significantly reduces harmful emissions, making your ride more environmentally friendly. It also ensures consistent performance across different altitudes and temperatures. Maintaining your fuel injection system is straightforward. Regularly using a good quality fuel system, cleaner can prevent clogs and ensure the injectors spray correctly. Always try to use high-quality fuel to minimize harmful deposit buildup over time. If you notice your bike running rough, experiencing poor acceleration, or hearing unusual engine noises, it might be an injector issue. Consulting a professional mechanic for diagnosis is always a wise choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.